Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for right now. This is 76 Dewey Street, apartment 3. And this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit on the 3rd floor in Worcester. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front right here. So that door in the middle is actually the front. This is the double parlor room towards the front of the building. And as you can see, it's really big. Lots of light coming in. They look great with the hardwood floors and everything. And this is also one of the bedrooms. Out of the 3, it's going to be on this front half of the apartment, but I'm just going to walk around, give you a good chance to see the space from a couple different angles, and just get a good idea of the actual size. See if you can get some furniture to fit in here, but I doubt that you have any problems with, like, you know, if you have a sectional couch or like a big entertainment system, easily going to fit in here, especially with that room in front. But this is the bedroom, one of the bedrooms. So this is one of those heating units. And they do supply heat in all of these rooms. And over here, so this one comes with a bureau that you could use for like clothes. It's kind of in lieu of like a closet space. And so you get one of those in there, which is good. And here's the, honestly, could be the 3rd living room. It's kind of like a dining room. Most of the houses like this, you only get 2 if you get 2. This is 3, so it's really great to see that. There's another closet right there as well. Closets are actually pretty spacious, so need a chance to look at this. But yeah, lots and lots of storage space, and you know, opportunity for expansion of the items and stuff like that. I'd say this is the middle room of the apartment, and then it also gives you access to the 2nd bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. It's got the wall unit 2, and the bureau might be a little bit bigger than the 1st bedroom over there. So here's the 2nd bedroom. And we'll wrap around to check so we can compare that with the 1st bedroom again. Bathroom over there, and then this is the kitchen area. So you got the gas parlor heater in here, along with the 4-burner gas stove, the fridge. Appliances seem to be in really good condition, as well as the cabinets over here. This is actually a pretty cool style for a countertop. It's got this nice gleam. Who doesn't like gleam? That's the balcony over there, but it is sectioned off right now. In the future, it may like be, you know, coming back open, but for right now, it's not really offered. This is the closet over here. Yeah, I'll give you another chance to look at this kitchen from this end. Yeah, see, so this is closed right now, but it may become available, like I said. And this is what the kitchen looks like from over here. That's actually the rear entrance. So it goes down to the side, opens with a code lock. It's an electronic lock, which is really, really cool. And we'll check out the bathroom. Pretty long bath. The whole apartment's big. I'm excited to see what the exact approximation for the square feet is, because it is really big. You know, there's a shower in here, and then there's space even behind the shower, just because of the length. But you get the nice vanity mirror there, shower here, sliding doors. Like I said, it's just because you just get a lot of space in here, so even the shower didn't really reach all the way to the end. And you got the nice tiling for like the walls kind of going through the whole thing. There's a supply closet here. It's got some extra storage. Actually, a lot of the buildings are pretty cool. So you got the built-in closet there, built-in here. Another built-in right here. I believe I showed you this. This is the galley pantry. So it's like an alley kitchen. And you got extra built-ins there. You know, some more shelving on top. And this is great for anything that just doesn't go in the main kitchen. And then finally, we'll take a look at this back bedroom. So here it is. It's got the hardwoods and the heater. Like the others, it's probably the smallest, but it's got the closet with the door frame instead of the bureau. And we'll take a look. Here's the closet in there. So pretty big. Nice and pretty big, makes up for that this one might be a little bit smaller than the other two. And we'll go check those out as we walk back through. But yeah, this was 76 Dewey Street, apartment 3, 3-bed, 1-bath of 3rd floor in Worcester. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management.